Mila, tell everybody that in today's video, Mommy gets a spa day for Mother's Day. She puts in her coupon. Can you see that?
Ooh, this accidentally spilled.
Oh my gosh. Did you take the lid off of it?
No.
Where did it spill? Let me see. What was it? Oh, where did it spill?
Right there.
Put the Q-tips on it. Oh, is there any left? Oh, Riker. So that's all fingernail polish cleaner, remember, on the carpet. Dude.
No.
Okay, let's do a haircut, toenails painted, maybe a massage.
Okay, so we got haircut, nails, and massage. Okay, let's do haircut first, massage second, and nails third. What do you say?
Good boy. I'm about to get spoiled.
You're gonna do Mother's Day for sure. So what do you want, babe? Just a little off the top? Sure you want me to cut your hair?
Yes.
Okay. How about here? I said it's fine. That's what?
That seems so short.
You said it was okay.
I said right here, but it's okay.
Oh shoot.
It's okay. You know what? We're already there. This is so short. Oh no. It's okay. It's okay. You know what? Yeah, it's fine.
It's really short.
It's really short, but it's okay. It'll grow.
It's just the first layer.
Well,
I can reverse mask it. Why did you cut your hair so short?
You did it. It's okay. It's not what I was wanting, but it's okay.
Well,
Well, you kind of made me have guts then because I was too chicken. I was thinking, well, maybe it'd be kind of cool to cut it really, really short.
I can cut it shorter.
No, that's short.
Okay.
In my eyes, that's short.
Hey, this is a farmer haircut. You did what you paid for here. Short hair. How to keep a baby from crying. You can't cry. I gotta give mommy a haircut. And you making your sister cry. Okay, that was a tragedy. The baby got stuck in the box. What's the baby doing in the box? I don't know.
Hey.
Get out of the hair, baby. Let me catch your mother's hair, for the love of God.
No.
Back, baby, back. Back, baby.
Aww.
I don't think she liked it.
I don't think so.
Do it to me.
Back, baby, back. Ah. Poor baby. Come on, let's go. Come on, look at her hair.
Look at all my hair.
Oh, yeah, we got some hair. Are we done?
Yeah.
We got done.
It's pretty even. You did pretty good.
Get some hair. Get some hair. Oh, yeah. Get some hair. Oh. Oh, yummy. Oh, put it in your mouth. Oh. Oh, just put it Oh.
Why would you let her do that?
Well, that's how you cut some hair. We're gonna go put this in a bird nest because we recycle around here. Okay, so lay down. Right here is a soothing spot for massage. Right next to the couch. This is a deep tissue massaging thing. There you go. Get in there, Mila. Work her deep. As you can see, the baby can really work the knots out. It works good. To get in there, something about a baby's foot is just the perfect diameter to disperse the weight of motherhood. You like helping mommy? Okay, you just lay there and relax and enjoy that, and Riker and I'll start on your toenails. Oh no, on the toenails. Riker, where did you learn this technique at?
School.
School. Keep working, Mila. You're doing a good job. Are you relaxed?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Good job, team. I'll be back in 10 minutes. Look at that good job you did.
That looks kind of cool, actually.
Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed your massage, your nails, and your beautiful haircuts. Is everybody happy? You had a good Mother's Day? I guess we decided to go from the gold to the clear.
Well, we gotta do 2 clears first.
Hey, Riker, do you want to explain to everybody why there's a shop vac and a Bissell vacuum shampooer in the room?
No.